Well, we've come out here to enjoy a nice day. Well, not a nice day, a great day out with a copy of Neil Postman's Technopoly. When lo and behold, some fellow citizens are playing that new kind of music, which you said is Craig David. Is that what it is? I said Eminem because it all sounds the same to me. It sounds just like machine slop. So we thought we'd do sort of. It's not really Rolling Stones, you know, real ballsy love songs. It's more like, girl, I designed a website today. Oh yeah, I can't wait to see you tonight. And we get in our pajamas that have little cups of coffee on them and cuddle up and watch a rom-com. Girl, oh girl, when I get my graphic design degree, you and I are gonna go somewhere possibly and wear a mask in accordance with what the government says, because that's what rock and roll is. Rock and roll is adhering and letting machines write the most of the music for us and being okay with the app. Ooh, girl, don't you understand? We need to go to IKEA now that it's open. Oh, don't you know? We gotta get some ceramics. We need ceramics because I got a ceramic kind of love for you. Give me a drum machine fill. Yeah, all right. Where's my and give me somebody else's song and let me put it on a loop. Yeah. Ballless, very ballless music, because machines don't have balls or brains or heart. Oh, they stopped. Now it's time for us to read.
I wonder why.
Do you think they can hear me?
I don't know.
Speaking sardonically about their machine music. It's the music of the machine. Hey, yeah, we all remember those days of 2020, man. I mean, everybody let down their hair and got the snooping app and prepared for the vaccine, but the music of the time was something else, man. Whether that was John and the Pajama Boys with their song, Girl, Let's Get a New Rug, or David Amazon and the Drone Delivery Guys with their song, Hey, guess what I ordered for $3 less? Boy, isn't it nice to stay home, girl? Girl, don't you like the rust-colored abstract painting I bought from my friend? I hung it above the electric fireplace, girl. Yes, I don't know about getting an erection and having sex with you, but I do know that I really like your sandals. Nonsense. Machines written for machines now. We are becoming machines. I encourage everybody to see James Corbett's documentary on Gates. Very impressive. And I'm not wearing a mask. I'm not going to wear a mask, which means I could starve to death if they make it applicable to supermarkets. I'm not going to wear a mask. I'm not taking a test. I'm not getting a fucking app, and I'm definitely not getting a fucking vaccine. And I encourage all of you who think the rest of this is, all this is bullshit, to do similarly. Girl, don't you want to buy a rug? Can we do things in partnership equally and try to listen respectfully to each other's feelings? According to my therapist, who I meet online through Zoom into your heart. One day we'll get married in a virtual ceremony, because the churches never will be open. Are they talking to us? No, yes.
No.
Girl, don't you think it's time that I got some cute socks? Oh, I got socks with robots on them, because I think robots are cool. I went to an exhibition at the Science Museum before the lockdown, and I learned a lot about robots and how robots can change the world and bring medicines to people in poor countries like Africa and El Salvador. And I think population growth is bad, just like Bill Gates does. I want to control the population because I'm Bill Gates, and this is the music of Bill Gates. Bill Gates makes music, and this is what he makes. This is Bill Gates' anthem, the music of the machine. Hey, can I come to your third world country and destroy your children? Because I'm a machine. So are we reading this now?
Yeah.
Never been on camera.
I don't know. I don't know what to do. I've never been on camera, but I want to say, please, Mr. Johnson, please open up Soho again, because this is nice for my daily exercise to be. I know I get the